channel if you're new here. My name is Ashwati and I am a current pre-med who just finished applying to medical school. I'm excited to say that I will be attending school this upcoming fall and will be moving to Chicago for that. But right now it's March 9th, it's like 7 a.m. and I have a flight to catch. I'm going to California to visit my friends during their spring break. I'm very excited because it's been over 6 months that I've seen my friends in person. So right now I'm just gonna put together my makeup, change, pack, and then head to my flight. So I'll see you there. For the first half of my trip, I'm staying with my friend Sindhu, who is a medical student at USC. While I'm here, I'm meeting with my friends who live in LA. The second half will be spent on a road trip with my friends to Phoenix, Arizona. I spent my flight journaling and listening to Why Has Nobody Told Me This Before by Dr. Julie Smith.
Chapter 25. What to do with anxious thoughts.
I'm a bit late to the game, but have been really enjoying reading a lot of nonfiction self-help type books lately, with this book being my latest pick. For some reason, nonfiction in an audiobook format has been a lot easier to get through than physical books, even though I read faster with physical books. I think this has something to do with my declining attention span. It's so easy to multitask when I'm listening to a book. I didn't film much of my first day, though in the evening I visited UCLA, my alma mater, because my former a cappella group was having a concert. Seeing all my group mates again and hearing firsthand how much they had improved over the year was overwhelming. I couldn't stop smiling for the entirety of the concert.
Check out the crabs in the bucket.
They even performed some of my old arrangements. It was such an honor to see how my impact on and contributions towards my a cappella group persisted past my graduation. I can't wait to see how they grow and improve over the next few years as well.
I'm so good at crushing and making sparks and shit, but then I'm a bad friend, so don't ask me where I've been avoiding everything, 'cause I'm a bad friend.
Hey y'all, today I'm going out with Sindhu and Howard. We're going to probably get some studying done and, I don't know, eat good food.
Yeah!
Get out of here. And I think later tonight I'm going to be going to my other friend Madonna's house, and we're going to spend the next day together.
Can you take a 0.5?
We are at Abuja restaurant. It has been established since 1969.
The hospitality is 10 out of 10. Very good.
But also, Ash's camera angle is terrible.
How do I do this? Hold on. Oh! This is better? Hello. Now Sindhu can be in the frame. We're going to a cat cafe. I'm so excited. This is Sindhu. Yay, hi. This is Howard. He sucks. Yeah.
It's like when you look in the beehive and you can easily spot the queen bee. He looks like a little fish.
Yeah.
Just swimming among like the algae.
Tonight, I slept over at my friend Madonna's place, where we decided to cook pasta together for dinner. After over 6 months of not seeing each other, it was really nice to catch up and easily slip back into our relationship of corny jokes and flowing conversations. Madonna always makes me feel cared about and appreciated when we hang out, and I was really looking forward to spending tonight and the following day with her roaming around LA.
How's it going?
We are
going
cooking. We are
good.
cooking.
You are in Ashati's vlog. Right here.
Oh, hello. Okay. I was like, what?
Hey y'all, last night I slept over at Madonna's place. It was a lot of fun. We made some pasta together. Now I'm going to head out with her, just going around LA. I think we're going to visit City Hall. We're having breakfast at Porto's. I might go to a museum later today as well and just do some shopping later tonight. So very excited, and I'll see you guys soon. Say hi. Oh, it's so pretty. She's so pretty. This is where life begins.
This is a throwback.
Oh my, do you remember
This is
these
throwback
days?
Yeah, I remember these days. That's me.
Remember when you were a little sperm? Hey guys, today I am going to the Westwood area near UCLA, and I'm going to be having lunch with one of my friends, hanging out at the Getty with another one of my friends, and then finally have dinner with some other friends as well. So it's going to be a pretty busy day today. I'm gonna go and head out. We just ate. You just
I didn't know you were filming. This is vile.
Yeah. I think it's just so funny that the first clip I filmed is you like looking really tired. After lunch, I spent a couple hours at the Getty Museum with one of my best friends, Aman. Say hi.
Hello.
Aman is actually also a YouTuber. He's one of my friends who I'm going on the Phoenix road trip with during the latter half of spring break. Afterwards, we went down to the Getty Gardens, which are beautiful, by the way, and I can't believe it's free for us to see all of this, before hurrying back to campus. At this point, I was running a bit late to dinner with my a cappella friends, but we all tend to run late, so I ended up actually being one of the first ones there. It was really nice to catch up with my friends over dinner, as we discussed old drama along with new developments in the a cappella group and in everyone's lives. I felt like I'd never really left.
I have such interesting friends.
I ended the day getting some work done with Sindhu at this really cute dark academia-esque cafe. I was exhausted after my busy day and started getting sleepy while working, so after a while I ended up just watching some Netflix.
So yummy. Say hi.
Today was my last day at Sindhu's. Tonight I'll be sleeping over at my friend Grishma's place before we start our road trip tomorrow. Right now I'm heading to Santa Monica to meet up with most of the road trip squad, plus Grace, who unfortunately isn't coming along.
She's so cute. Bye, cat. Hey, man. Hi, man.
If my love is tragedy, why are you my remedy?
We had already booked a rental car to travel to Phoenix from Irvine through Uber, and Uber didn't take into account a bunch of additional fees, so we only found out when we came here that it would cost an additional $200 to get this rental car, so we decided not to get it, and now we're like trying to figure out how to cancel it and like get a refund. So we're getting a car from Turo instead. It's going to be way cheaper, so let's hope it works out. It's really nice. I feel like this is the type of road I just imagined for road trips.
She's been driving for the past 28 days, guys. I think
Non-stop.
She's lost it.
She's done for.
Yeah, I don't know.
It's over for her. Wow. Hi. I just wanted to show my fans this beautiful woman in the corner.
Who are you?
Hi. I don't know yet, so haven't even started. We are going to swim now.
Yeah, and
We're wearing shoes. Today we're on the last stretch of the actual driving part of the road trip. As we approached Arizona, we saw some really cool desert scenery. We have the next few days in Phoenix meticulously planned out, thanks to Aman, and we'll be enjoying a lot of the nature that Phoenix has to offer.
lovely.
The next day was filled with a lot of desert scenery and hiking. We went to the Mormon trailhead in the morning, which was a bit of a drive away, but was full of some really cool desert plants.
Oh my.
As a hiking newbie, I've been on like 3 easy trails. Having to walk uphill on large rocks was pretty challenging. Ashmita somehow ended up being the best hiker of all of us, despite fully wearing a dress and Vans. And eventually, I mustered up the courage to follow her up a big rock. Ask me any questions you would like.
How do I find emotional peace?
You can't.
The mountain sage has spoken.
Today was my second time ice skating, and though last time I struggled to let go of the wall, this time I dedicated myself to properly learning to skate. This, of course, meant that I ended up falling over several times and wobbled around like a baby deer learning how to walk. However, by the end of our day, I was skating around the rink without needing to hold onto the wall, and I was proud of my growth. Learning the basics of skating allowed me to fool around on the ice with my friends, most of whom were more practiced than I was, and really added to my enjoyment of the experience. One of my favorite memories of this trip is an in-depth discussion my friends and I had about friendship. The discussion was brought up because of a book Aman was reading called How to Know a Person by David Brooks. As we each talked about our strengths and weaknesses as friends, I was inspired to practice being a better question asker and listener, making my friends feel more appreciated and known. Our discussions about friendship continued over the course of the trip and even after we all went home, texting one another about new thoughts and ideas. These thoughtful, almost philosophical conversations are one of the things that I cherish most about my friendships. I love talking with my friends about the things that make us think about and reflect upon our own lives and experiences. We're trying to find a bathroom right now, and we might not get to the hole in the rock in time to see the sunset. So we shall see. Crossing our fingers. Locked, and they look nasty. Now what? Yeah, that's true. Let's try that. Today's our last day, and for the most part, we just whiled our time away before our flights home. We returned to Papago Park to chill near the ponds there before grabbing lunch. This is so cool! Look at this! Look at this! Ah, cute! Did you eat the entire pickle? That's so funny. This trip helped me rediscover all the things that I love most about my friends, and all the ways I'll miss them when I go back home. I may not see my friends in person again for a long time, but even when I'm insanely busy with medical school, I know I want to make time to connect with them. I want to stay in touch and make sure that my friends know how much I value them. I want to be there for them when they need me, and know that they'll be there for me when I need them. All this to say, I love my friends dearly, and I hope that it lasts a long time.